Hello and welcome along to this short little episode of my camper conversion YouTube channel. So on my channel I document all sorts of jobs converting vans to camper vans, and I just thought I'd do a really quick video just showing how to wire in a micro switch tap to a submersible pump using the 1 power feed, so that when you turn the tap on it initiates the pump. Really easy. I've got similar videos on my channel already, but this is just more of a recap one more than anything else. So presuming you've already got your actual tap fitted in place and you've got a power feed coming from a battery, ideally via a fuse box, and you're just wondering what's the actual main wiring method to get it so when you turn the tap on it initiates the pump. Really simple, really easy to do. So wiring wise, this one here is my main power feed in for the tap. That's got positive and negative on it, and on that you've got your positive going to the positive of the tap, then the negative of the tap goes down and connects to the positive of the pump, and then the negative of the pump then goes back and connects to the negative of the power feed itself. And what that does is it means that when you turn the tap on, it creates a complete circuit going from the tap to the pump and back to the main power supply. Otherwise, if you're having them fed individually, you have to have a switch for your pump totally independent from your tap itself, and it sort of defeats the purpose. So that's the main really quick, really simple wiring for a micro switch tap going to a submersible pump. Take your positive feed to the positive of the tap, negative of the tap to the positive of the pump, then the negative of the pump back to the negative of the feed. And when it's all wired in, connected to a battery via a fuse, you can hear that whirring away. Every time I turn the tap on, the pump kicks into action. Obviously you don't want to be running these sort of pumps out of water, especially for too long, otherwise it'll just dry the bearings up, things like that. They are ideally only supposed to be run inside water. So I say this is just a really quick, simple video just to show the wiring for a micro switch tap going to a submersible pump. Positive from the feed to the positive of the tap, negative of the tap to the positive of the pump, negative of the pump back to the negative of the feed. And away you go. So as I say, nice, really quick, simple video. Hope you find it useful. If you do give it that good old thumbs up. Have a look at my channel. There's loads of content on my channel already. As I say, I'm documenting this van completely job by job on the build. I've got loads of other previous vans that I've converted as well, with plenty more to come as well. So hit the subscribe button, give the video a good old thumbs up. Hope you found it useful, and hopefully I'll see you on the next episode of my channel. Thanks for watching. Cheers.